the 126th anniversary of the proclamation of Philippine independence. On that glorious day in Kawit, Cavite, 126 years ago, the triumphant tunes of our national anthem echoed throughout the jubilant air as our flag freely waved for the first time. It heralded the birth of the Philippines and declared to the world our untiring resolve to chart our own destiny as a sovereign nation. A century and a quarter has passed since we unshackled the chains of subjugation, yet the fervor of nationalism persistently burns brightly in each of us today. We stand united as ever, upholding with pride the hard-earned liberty bequeathed to us by our forebears. While the times may be different, our struggles remain the same. Still, we continue to witness the true spirit of freedom in every Filipino who fights fairly in their day-to-day lives. We see it in the resilience of our farmers and fisherfolk as they provide us sustenance. We see it in the dedication of our teachers as they nurture the minds of future generations. We see it in the tenacity of our soldiers as they protect every inch of our territory, adamant as they are in the certainty that Filipinos do not and shall never succumb to oppression. As we celebrate the founding of our nation, let us dedicate ourselves to the challenging but rewarding task of realizing the full potential of Filipinos and building a bagong Pilipinas, one that truly embodies the ideals of a just, progressive, and independent republic. Maligayang araw ng kasarinlan at mabuhay ang malayang sambayanang Pilipino, saad ng Pangulo. Sa aking pagkatapos, nais ko malaman ninyo na para sa akin, buong karangalan ko ang tumayo sa harap ninyo, ang makamit ang atensyon ninyo, at ang magsilbi sa inyo. Sapagkat naniniwala kami bilang inyong pasubuan na ang pagsilbi sa inyo ay hindi lamang pagsilbi sa mahal at malayang Pilipinas, kundi pagsilbi at pagmamahal sa ating Diyos Ama. Magandang umaga, good morning, Blagadaring Zablimanye, kasinawahan po tayo ng Diyos at mabuhay ang Pilipinas, magdiwang po tayo.
Yes!